Are you tired of those pesky groundhogs wreaking havoc in your yard and ready to kick them out without breaking a sweat? Say no more. This video is your ticket to ending the turf war with these pests using nothing but kindness and ingenuity. We will show you how to evict those furry little troublemakers with compassion and finesse. You don't need traps or toxic chemicals. Just some clever techniques to have those groundhogs saying goodbye. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and learn how to send those groundhogs away. 1. Spray castor oil. Castor oil is a natural and effective solution for repelling groundhogs from your property. It emits a strong odor that groundhogs find unpleasant, thus encouraging them to leave the area. To make a spray out of castor oil, mix the oil with water and dish soap in a spray bottle and apply it around the perimeter of your garden or yard. The strong scent will deter groundhogs from entering the treated areas, providing a humane way to keep them at bay. An advantage of castor oil is its eco-friendly nature. Unlike chemical-based repellents, castor oil poses no harm to the environment, making it a safe option for deterring groundhogs while maintaining ecological balance. 2. Sprinkle pet waste around your yard. So, you've got a groundhog problem, and you're considering some unconventional methods to send them packing. Here's an idea that might seem wacky: sprinkling your pet's waste around your yard. Yep, that's right. Groundhogs detest the scent of predators. And what better way to convince them there's a ferocious feline or canine on the prowl than by placing some litter or poop in their favorite hangout spots? It might not win you any Yard of the Month awards, but it could be just the thing to make those pesky groundhogs think twice about setting up camp in your backyard. You can also try spraying coyote urine around your garden. It is available in liquid or convenient granules. As we all know, coyotes are a most voracious predator. So when you want to get rid of groundhogs, coyote urine is an effective natural repellent and deterrent that stops these pests from eating your garden, damaging your yard, chewing on your shrubs, ornamentals and flowers. Coyote urine is an all-natural, organic solution. 3. Spice up your yard. Do you mind adding a little spice to your groundhog problem? Why not try the good old cayenne pepper spray trick? These pesky critters can't stand the heat. Quite literally, sprinkling cayenne pepper around their tunnel entrances or creating a homemade spray using water and cayenne pepper can discourage them from infesting your yard. Not only is it an effective deterrent, but it's also a natural way to keep those furry garden raiders at bay. Plus, you'll be adding some extra kick to your gardening game. But hold on, don't limit yourself to just cayenne pepper. Red pepper flakes are another spicy option that groundhogs won't appreciate sniffing around. So why not give them a taste of their own medicine with a fiery sprinkle here and there? 4. Install an in-ground fence. If you are sick of groundhogs damaging your yard, installing an in-ground fence might be the ingenious solution you've been searching for. This innovative alternative to traditional above-ground fence provides an unobtrusive barrier that keeps those pesky critters at bay without marring the aesthetics of your lawn. It's a bit like setting up an invisible force field against groundhog invasions. And let's face it, who wouldn't want that kind of superpower? But how does it work, you ask? Groundhogs can be stopped by trenching a metal fence with PVC more than 6 inches deep. However, some rodent experts suggest that trenching a metal fence at least 12 to 24 inches is best. This tactic will not completely rid groundhogs from landscapes, but it will reduce the amount of groundhogs seen on lawns and gardens. It's all about teaching those furry intruders to steer clear of your precious plants and flowers. 5. Employ ethical cage traps. When eliminating those pesky groundhogs, humane methods should be your top priority. Opting for ethical cage traps ensures you capture these furry creatures without causing them harm. It's like inviting them to a little house party, except the guest list involves relocating them to a more suitable location. Picture this scenario. A groundhog stumbles upon an enticing carrot, cantaloupe, strawberries, blueberries, or peaches placed within the confines of a cage trap. Before you know it, Mr. Groundhog finds himself in a cozy new home, the trap, ready for a relocation adventure. Like winning a free trip minus the airport security hassle. So why not opt for these fashionable cages and show those groundhogs that there's no need for drama in relocation? 6. Sprinkle lavender. Lavender may be the ultimate secret weapon in your quest to rid your garden of groundhogs. Not only does it smell delightful to us humans, But these pesky rodents hate the scent. It's like kryptonite for them. So, liberally sprinkle lavender around your garden beds, entry points, and other areas where those burrowing troublemakers hang out. They will get out of there faster than you can say aromatherapy. Not only does lavender repel groundhogs, but it also attracts beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. It's a win-win situation. Deter the groundhogs while creating a serene and beautiful environment for friendly insect visitors. Who knew lavender could be so versatile? 7. Use human hair clippings. Believe it or not, human hair clippings can be a game changer in your battle against groundhogs. These furry creatures have a keen sense of smell, and they detest the scent of humans. Scatter those hair clippings around their burrows or put the cuttings in mesh bags and place them near any burrows you find in your yard. The scent will convince them that humans are nearby, which will make them scurry away. Who knew a trip to the hairdresser could be so multifunctional? I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use blood meal to get rid of pests. Thanks for watching and bye for now.